Free email money from Cliqly. Let's talk about Cliqly. I want to give a quick testimony about Cliqly. I found this free email marketing platform to where you can sign up absolutely free and start earning money the same day. Yes, you just want to create a free profile. And once you create your free account, this is the back office right here. So the creator, they have 17 million members. All right, this is why this platform is absolutely free. You can sign up for free, you can start emailing people, and you can start earning money today. Yes, today. All right. So you start off with 5,000 emails and a bunch of different credits. Every page has a video that explains exactly how to email these 17 million people. But it's very simple, and there's two places you can email. You can start here with step one. There's a video right here that teaches you exactly how to email the leads, and it's very, very simple, guys. So if we click on step one right here, the leads will pop up. You watch this short video, but you can start emailing those 17 million members right now. And there's already pre-built emails. As you can see, these are the emails I sent up here that go out. And they start you off with 5,000 people that you can email. And it's very simple to start emailing people, guys. You just scroll down here, step two, where you actually start emailing. So right now I can currently email to the openers list. So as you're emailing the 17 million up top, you start growing your openers list of people that are actually opening your emails. And it's very, very simple. You just click right there in these pre-written emails. You just click on one. There's hundreds probably. So we're just going to click on a random one. I'm going to enter my name. It's on send now. And then we press send. And it's that simple. And now the email is being queued so that it can go out. This free platform will have you earning today. They pay you 10 cents and they start you off with a bunch of credits on both of these emailing types. For this one, step two was the Cliqly list building, where you're building your own list. So definitely just follow these two instructions. Both of these have videos. And now let me show you some money, guys. Let me show you some proof that this stuff is actually working. There's a video talking about how you get paid, all the commissions you can earn. And if I click right here, make sure those videos are very explainable, so you just make sure you watch those videos up top. But I've already earned $174, guys, with this free platform. And like I mentioned, you get 10 cents every click, and I've generated 741 clicks so far. And it's very, very simple, guys. They give you a bunch of different credits. It is a credit-based system. So you'll start earning and per click as soon as you start sending your emails. And once you get to $300, which is the minimum cash out, you can cash out. And when you run out of credits, that's when you can pay $97 to get more credits. And then every person that you share this with, it's a member-to-member payment. You will earn $97 per sale when people start using this free platform. Also, and I already got one sale, and I think another small sale. I'm not sure what that was. That may have been like a CPA offer or something. Not sure if I will be upgrading. It's not the best way to make money online. This will not make you rich, but it could be, some phone bill money every month, and some gas money, right? Drop a comment down below. Let me know your experience with Cliqly and your results. I'm hearing some good and some bad reviews, so mark it at your own risk. But these are my 2 cents, all right? If you want my #1 income opportunity, you can click on the second link in the description. The first link will be to Cliqly if you want to check that out. And the second link will be to my #1 recommended opportunity for building a full-time income online. Other than that, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing, network marketing videos, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.